normal to fluctuate over the speed limit by about 3 kilometers.
Oh.
But see, now you're at 70.
Yeah.
And so you want to put some pressure on the brake just to get some friction going there so that you don't go too much over the speed limit.
Okay.
Just kind of control the descent, you know. And we're going to go straight at this roundabout as well.
Right. And yes, we're going to go ahead.
Alright, so we're going to take LaSalle here, the exit.
Alright.
Right on. And then we got the 50 zone coming up. And it's also downhill, so you just kind of keep a little bit of friction on the brake just so that you don't go over the 50 sign there.
Right.
See, you're at 48, that's good. 49, 50, and back on just a little bit of friction. There you go. This is what 50 feels like, or sounds like, too. So being prepared for the yellow light, just in case, checking that rear view mirror. You've reached the point of no return. If it turns yellow, we would just keep on going.
Right.
So we're okay in this lane. We're going to keep going straight at the lights.
Okay.
And you can start slowing down now. Checking the rear view mirror. When your foot goes to the brake, you just check that mirror.
Alright.
When you stop behind a vehicle, just make sure you can still see some pavement here between us. Right about here, that's good. So if you get rear-ended, you're less likely to get pushed into the guy in front of you. Interesting drivers in Sudbury. People take a lot of unnecessary risks with their lives and the lives of other people.
Like Sudbury or like driving in
Sudbury
general?
in general. Well, in general too, you know, in Toronto, there are bad drivers out there, dude.
Oh God, yeah, no, I don't want to drive in Toronto.
Oh, look at this thing. Wow. Looks like
Oh God.
a toolbox on wheels.
Ew.
Yeah.
Boo.
I hate those cars.
Nobody likes them.
Nobody, I don't know.
They suck.
Oh, here we go. We got another one. Bye-bye. So you're at 50. That's good. Just kind of manage your speed here. And we'll keep going straight at the lights, anticipating it turning yellow.
Right. Alright, well, it seems fine. And
So
past
far,
one
so
and no
good.
return, I think.
Right where the solid white line begins, generally right here, would be your point of no return. Generally speaking. Depends on the road conditions. Your following distance at this speed should be about 3 or 4 seconds. So that's pretty much what you got right now, yeah.
3, 4.
Yeah.
Ish.
There
Anyway.
you go. So you just keep that space. When we get through this intersection, we're going to be making a left lane change.
Got it.
Very good. Watching that rear view mirror as well, right?
Right.
Just in case somebody's following too close, then sometimes you got to make a judgment call and go through the yellow light so you don't get rear-ended. Okay, so we'll make a left lane change when you're ready.
Okay.
Nice. So we got into this lane here in order to make a left turn at the next set of lights. Montrose Mall, yeah. We're going to start there. I'll take you on the route for the highway test. A little too soon cutting in.
Fair enough. Now?
Not yet. Okay. So maybe 3 or 4 yellow broken lines. You can cross over those to get in nice and straight between the lines here.
Fair enough.
And when you stop, just make sure you can still see the crosswalk, at least one of the lines anyway. That way, then you know your front bumper is still behind the stop bar, the thicker stop line. This is a protected left turn. Everyone else has a red light.
Yep, with the green arrow.
Green arrow. I wish every intersection had one.
They had a dream, right?
Yep, we'll turn in there. A little too soon. You're crossing the yellow line into the wrong lane.
Wait.
You're in the wrong lane.
Oh, that's the turning. Yeah.
Yeah.
Shoot.
You'll get it next time. So, let's do the reverse parking here somewhere. Just choose a space to your right anywhere, and
Sorry, it's been a while since I did a reverse park.
I'll lead you through it. So, when let's move forward here. The first thing you do as you're moving forward and looking for a space, you put your right signal on, so that you're communicating with anyone behind you, checking the rear view mirror as well. So now you're about the right distance away from the spaces, and it's easier if you use a car though.
Oh, all right.
We'll park on this side of the car because it gives you a reference. So now we're going to stop when you see his brake light in the small triangular window back there with the no smoking sticker in it, right back there.
Yeah.
So when you see the brake light in the window that I'm pointing at over here, back here, in the small triangular window, you just kind of frame the brake light, passenger side brake
I
light.
think this is it. No, further. Might be further.
Through here, you'll see the brake light appear framed in this window.
Okay.
You see it there now? Because I don't know, because I'm sitting here, so. But this feels right to me, though. Like, your shoulders lined up with the center of this space. And so this should be good.
All right.
Should be good. Into reverse. And then before you move the car, you want to turn your wheels all the way to the right, as far as they go. And then as you roll back, before you roll back, just kind of check your surroundings first, and then keep a little bit of pressure on the brake while you reverse, looking where you want to go without using the camera. And you can use this mirror to see if you're okay on this side.
Okay.
And then look around, kind of look over there we go, and look in front of you. Stop right here. So now you're nice and flush with the wall, straightening the wheels right on.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, you got it. And then you just get the nose of your car out of the laneway and stop.
Alright.
This is good. And park and fake brake. You just got to pretend. So you don't have to push it. You don't have to pull it. Yeah, you just fake brake it. That's it. That's all they want you to do. All right, so when you get here on the day of your road test, you're using your own vehicle. So it's better if you do back in. That way you're facing forward when you start. And as you know, you just go inside, you register and all that, and then you come back and sit in your car and you wait for them. And that's when the nerves start going, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, they could come out within like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. But the road test, yeah, to get the full G, it's not 8 to 15 minutes. I was thinking to get your G2. So this one here is going to be more like 20, 25 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. So then once they get into the car, they give you that speech, right?
Yeah.
And then once you start, then that's it. You're on your own. But I'll guide you through this here. I'll be pointing things out as we go along. So if you're ready, we'll make a left turn out of the space here.
Right.
At the roadway, we're going to make a right turn.
Got it.
And when you come out here, there's 2 lanes, one for the right lane, one for the left lane. You go right over into the left lane right away, so that you're not crossing over that solid white line at the intersection. You can touch it a little bit, but
Sorry, just right here?
yeah, right into the left lane. So you avoid the right lane that way,
Got it.
because you're not supposed to cross over these white lines at an intersection. So,
Okay.
and signal left and space, so you can still see the pavement in front of you. There we go. That's perfect. When you turn left here, do you know which lane to turn into?
Just like the I don't know, the left lane on the side of the sign, yeah?
Yeah, the one just right after the sign. And then and then when it's safe, you move into the right lane without being told to do so. The examiner won't tell you to make the right lane change.
But I should.
They'll expect you to, yeah. I mean, unless they ask you to stay in the left lane, but they'll let you know way ahead of time if they do. If they don't say anything at all, you just move to the right. Oh, just noticed they're building something new there.
Oh. Huh, I wonder what that'll be.
I don't know. So if anybody was coming straight through, they'd be in the lane next to the curb. So we're okay to turn left here.
Right.
Good. Blind spot. Perfect. All right. And then the examiner would just sit here quietly, let you concentrate on what you're doing. We go all the way down to Barrydowne now.
Huh.
Yeah. Managing your space, managing your speed, anticipating lights turning yellow, all that good stuff. Checking the rear view mirror every 5 to 8 seconds or so.
Right.
This mirror here. So they just want to see how you drive along in traffic. Let's make a left lane change. When you make a left lane change or a right lane change, just kind of smoothly, just gradually move into the lane. Take about 3 seconds to make a lane change.
Right.
Instead of sharp like that, so you don't rock the boat. Basically, just count the seconds out, like 3-4 seconds, and transition. So I got you to get into this left lane here sooner rather than later because of the amount of traffic. The examiner will just wait for the examiner to let you know when to make that lane change.
Okay.
It could be back there where I asked you. It could be over here. It could be, anywhere really. But they'll give you plenty of notice ahead of time. So at these traffic lights here, we're going to turn left.
Got it.
And again, you look for the last 3 or 4 yellow broken lines and you cross over them.
Right.
Signal mirror blind spot. Right about here, yeah. Good. Because there's a gas station here on the corner,
Yeah.
You're supposed to move into the right lane, but sometimes people are coming in and out of that driveway to get in and out of the Shell station.
Right.
So you just make your right lane change after the gas station.
After the gas station.
Yeah, so that you're not, if there's interference, then you're not, getting too close to the cars coming in and out of these driveways here.
Right.
There we go. There, now it's safe to make it. Perfect. We have a speed camera here now. Okay. Or is it coming soon? This sign here.
Oh,
coming
not yet.
soon.
Not here yet, I guess.
Okay, so keep that in mind. The speed limit is 50 here. And the camera is out there. Right there. He's out.
Huh.
Yeah, you see the gray box. There we go. We got a camera here.
That thing.
So keep your speed just below 50. Because you don't want to get a ticket. There you go. 47, 48, that's good. When you see the lights, the traffic lights, that's when you make your left lane change. Because this lane comes to an end. There. you're at 51. You're still good.